What's up, YouTube? Happy New Year's. It's good to see you all again. I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys to shoot fireworks, and I figured that since we're about to transition into 2016, I would send off 2015 with a bang, and today we're going to shoot some fireworks in super slow motion.
Every step you take.
It's almost like Goku gathering the spirit bomb to kill Majin Buu.
Yeah, that. So those firecrackers were awesome, but we think it'd be even better if we used an actual mortar. So we're gonna be using this thing. It's a Red Devil, like a TNT Red Devil, and these things are supposed to explode with big balls of fire. Legitimately, it actually says, warning, shoots flaming balls.
You take.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to check out Brandon's channel. He does some awesome stuff, and he actually just did a really sick video where we actually tried to use that mortar round on an iPad, and it survived. Crazy stuff. Check it out. Links below and annotations here on the screen. Cheers, guys.